Hello, this is Chris with Chateau de Crispin, of course, with Wine and Wine. As you can tell, it's a beautiful day. I'm doing something amazing today. See, I already got everything in the lab, We're just ready to take care of this today. See that? See this? We're ready. So, of course, gotta put some amazing water in here. Ooh. You gotta be amazing water. You just can't put any kind of water. It's gonna be really good water that you know for a fact won't mess up your stuff. So make it about 2 gallons. And I like to measure it, so I usually just put the water to the cowboy, aka Damajon, before I do that. See how clean that water is. Alright, so it's about 2 gallons. That's what I needed. Alright, that's the secret recipe. Yes, sir. Excited about that. Some puree reset recipe too. So I'll see you on the other side. I'll show it to you after this one.